EXPRO Meters is a global business unit within EXPRO, providing clamp-on flow surveillance of production and injection wells. Our sonar-based technologies enable cost-effective, real-time surveillance of multi-phase processes to enable improved well flow management. EXPRO Meters products can be installed both offshore and onshore. Our meters can be installed both at the wellhead or alternatively at the manifold header, where all individual wells can simultaneously report real-time production flow rates direct to your DCS or SCADA system. Our meters clamp on to the outside of your existing production piping to provide real-time gas production flow rate measurement. They enable simple and quick installation without production shutdown. They're non-intrusive, impose no pressure loss, with no potential leak paths to monitor or moving parts to wear or fail. By clamping on, health, safety and environmental risks common to traditional well measurement practice are avoided. By integrating this technology with your existing instrumentation, we're able to offer real-time, modular, 24/7 network surveillance. That allows you to focus on your fields and facilities and to obtain accurate well performance data in electronic format and to know what your individual wells are producing in real time, 24 hours per day, delivered direct to your engineers' workstations.